Care easier, quieter, and more eco-friendly, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best self-propelled electric lawnmowers of 2024. These mowers are perfect for anyone who wants to maintain a beautiful yard without the hassle of gas engines. So whether you've got a small backyard or a sprawling lawn, we've got something for everyone. Let's get started. Number 5. SunTech 40 V21-inch cordless electric lawnmower. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the SunTech 40 V21-inch cordless electric lawnmower. If you're looking for a reliable and budget-friendly option, SunTech has you covered. This mower is powered by a 40-volt lithium-ion battery, providing enough juice to tackle medium-sized lawns with ease. The 21-inch cutting deck is a sweet spot between efficiency and maneuverability, allowing you to cover more ground without sacrificing control. One of the best features of the SunTech 40V is its simple push-button start. No more pulling on cords or dealing with gas fumes. It's also impressively quiet, so you can mow early in the morning or late in the evening without disturbing your neighbors. If you're on a budget but still want a solid, dependable mower, the SunTech 40V is a great choice to consider. Number 4. Toro 60V Max 22-inch Recycler Self-Propelled Mower. At number 4, we have the Toro 60V Max 22-inch Recycler Self-Propelled Mower. Toro is a well-known name in the lawn care industry, and this model lives up to their reputation for quality and reliability. This mower is powered by a 60-volt battery, giving you plenty of power and up to 60 minutes of runtime on a full charge. The 22-inch cutting deck is one of the largest in its class, which means you can mow large lawns more quickly. The Toro 60-volt Max features a unique personal pace self-propel system, which adjusts the speed based on your walking pace. This makes mowing feel effortless, even on uneven terrain or hills. With its powerful performance and user-friendly features, the Toro 60-volt Max Recycler is a top pick for anyone with a larger yard to maintain. Number 3. Makita XML08PT118 VX221-inch Self-Propelled Mower. Taking the third spot on our list is the Makita XML08PT118 VX221-inch Self-Propelled Mower. Makita is known for its professional-grade tools, and this mower is no exception. Cut to shots of the mower's rugged design, showing its steel deck and dual battery system. The Makita XML08PT1 is powered by two 18VLXT batteries, delivering a total of 36 V of power. This setup provides up to 60 minutes of runtime, depending on your lawn size and thickness. The steel deck is durable and built to last, even in the toughest mowing conditions. One of the standout features of this mower is its quiet mode, which reduces the motor speed for a quieter mowing experience. This is especially handy if you prefer to mow in the early morning or late evening. If you need a reliable, heavy-duty mower that can handle larger, more challenging lawns, the Makita XML08PT1 is a fantastic option. Number 2. Ego Power Plus L M2102 SP 21-inch Self-Propelled Mower. Coming in at number 2 is the Ego Power Plus L M2102 SS P 21-inch Self-Propelled Mower. Ego has been a leader in battery-powered outdoor equipment, and this mower is a prime example of why. This mower features a 56-volt ARC lithium battery, providing up to 60 minutes of cutting time on a single charge. The 21-inch deck is perfect for medium to large lawns, giving you the right balance of power and efficiency. The Ego Power Plus LM2102 SP also comes with a variable speed self-propel system, allowing you to adjust the mower's speed to match your walking pace. This makes it easy to maneuver, even on hills or uneven ground. With its powerful battery, versatile features, and ease of use, the Ego Power Plus LM2102 SP is an excellent choice for anyone looking to make lawn care easier and more efficient. Number 1. Greenworks 40V 21-inch Self-Propelled Lawnmower. And finally, at number 1, we have the Greenworks 40V 21-inch Self-Propelled Lawnmower. Greenworks has a reputation for producing reliable, eco-friendly tools, and this mower is no different. This mower is powered by a 40-volt lithium-ion battery, giving you up to 70 minutes of runtime on a full charge. The 21-inch cutting deck is perfect for efficiently mowing medium to large lawns. One of the best things about this mower is its quiet operation and simple push-button start. No more dealing with gas, oil, or loud engines. Just push the button and start mowing. With its combination of power, efficiency, and ease of use, the Greenworks 40-volt 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower takes the top spot on our list. It's the perfect choice for anyone who wants a reliable, eco-friendly mower that's easy to use and maintain. So there you have it, our top 5 best self-propelled electric lawnmowers for 2024. Each of these mowers offers something unique, whether it's power, efficiency, or ease of use. So there's definitely a model here that will fit your needs. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Top 5 Picks, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more great content.